Priyanka Chopra has been living the charmed life in Hollywood. She's been hobnobbing with the coolest names in the business and having her gorgeous face on some of the most prestigious magazines. And all this is because she's been kicking some serious butt in Hollywood land. Here's a look at Priyanka's Hollywood moments that we just can't get enough of. Priyanka not only got to present at the Oscars, but she also got to do that along with the very hot Liev Schreiber. Before hitting the stage, she practically shut down the red carpet in a strapless white Zuhair Murad gown with jewelry worth $8 million. Priyanka received the honor of dining with President Barack Obama and his wife Michelle at the White House Correspondents' Dinner. Priyanka said the president was very funny and charming. Priyanka shut down critics who said she'll be one hit wonder in Hollywood when she joined the cast of Baywatch as the villain. Man, evil never looked this good. Plus she got to shoot with The Rock. The Rock! Time magazine named Priyanka as one of the 100 most influential people and put her on their cover, which, let's be honest, is a big deal. In the piece that appeared in the magazine, The Rock wrote of her, "She has drive, ambition, self-respect, and she knows there's no substitute for hard work." Priyanka has been dominating the awards back home in India. She added one more to the list when she bagged the People's Choice Awards of Favorite Actress in a new TV series for Quantico, and she got to hang out with John Stamos. Priyanka looked smoking hot when she went on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, but what was even hotter was her challenging Jimmy to a hot wings eating contest. Obviously, like everything else, she won this too. Priyanka is known to destroy gender stereotypes. During a magazine interview when she was told that everyone thinks she'll make a kick-ass Bond girl, her response was, "I get that all the time, but fuck that, I wanna be Bond." Wow, just wow. Which of Priyanka's Hollywood moments you cannot get enough of? Well, tell us in the comments below. And for more Bollywood news, like, share and subscribe.